What's up, you guys? What's up? It's your Skinny Boy Randy. How you doing today, you guys? I missed you so very much. We've had so much rain here in Zone 7, Richmond, Virginia. You guys, I couldn't even make a video outside, and I didn't want to do this video in the house. How are you doing, you guys? Hey, you guys, I love you. Thank you so much for being here. You are absolutely the best. Thank you. Hey! Welcome to Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy. If you're new to my channel, beginners and experts are always welcome. We'd love to have you. Mwah! Thank you, guys. I love you so much. All the way from Richmond, Virginia, Zone 7. How you guys doing today? Today, I'm going to show you how to start your fall seeds, you guys. Yes, I've been postponing this video because we've had tons and tons of rain and I couldn't get outside to make it for you, but we're going to do it today, okay? I've gotten your messages. I heard you. Yes, you guys, I've been making small videos inside just to keep, you know, content coming to you guys, but I had to get out here and show you how to do this today. I'm not going to hold you long. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click like and subscribe. Leave a thumbs up, thumbs down, just the 2 middle fingers, okay? Okay, we love you guys. Also, leave a comment, share the video with all your social media. I would greatly appreciate it. It helps out so much, you guys. So today I'm gonna make this very quick and simple. It's hot out here and I ain't trying to fall out, okay? I'm back, because you know I'll fall out in a minute. How you guys doing? I miss you. Thank you so much for being here. You are the best. So let's just dive right into this video. I'm sorry, but you guys, I had a little distraction right quick and I couldn't have my volume on. So we're gonna get back into this video. I'm sorry, you guys. I apologize for that. I'm going to make this short and sweet, and we're going to get right to the point. Today, we're going to talk about starting your fall garden seeds, you guys. Yes, in the middle of August. Now is the time to start your seeds, because you have to focus on the factor that you have to germinate your seeds, have to get them tall enough to put into the ground a few weeks before your first frost date. So if you don't know when your first frost date is, please go to the Farmer's Almanac, type in your zip code or your zone, and it'll tell you when your first frost date is this year. Time is flying, you guys. My birthday's in a couple of weeks. If you want to send a gift, shameless plug. If you want to send a gift to Skinny Boy Randy, check out all my description information. If you want to send a surprise, I appreciate it. I love you guys. Thank you. So we're going to make this real quick and sweet. What I use for my seedlings, like I said, we're starting in August. Today is the 17th, 18th, one of those days. And we want to get our seeds in the ground now because next month we're heading into our fall. So we have to get these in the ground now. And all I use is a mixture, cocoa core, little seed starting mix, neem oil, and peroxide. I just sprinkled a little bit of the peroxide and some neem oil in there just to kill any funguses or anything that may be in the soil already. So let me just get you down onto the work area so you can see what's going on. Let's just dive right into this video. Okay, thank you guys so much for being here. I love you. Okay, hope you guys can see that. So I've already put the soil in here and I put a little water on it, but I just wanted to show you how cocoa core breaks up once you wet it. And this is all we're going to do, you guys. Starting your seeds, it's not hard. Don't make it hard. Don't overthink it. Just take your time and make it do what it do. Yes, you guys, we're not doing pretty gardening. We're doing productive gardening. Okay, okay. So let's just get our soil. And all you do with cocoa core, just add a little, I just add hot water and then let it cool off. So what I'm doing is I'm going in and mixing that, this Dollar Tree, shout out to the Dollar Tree, seed starting mix. I'm mixing that in. And you want your seed starting mix not super soaking wet. You don't want to drown your seeds. You don't want it super dry either. Yes, you guys, how you doing? I hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. I love you. I'm back from Michigan, safe and sound. So yeah, so when you go to pick up your soil mix, you want it to look something like this. When you go to squeeze it, see how it holds together? But then if I just barely tap it, bam, perfect, perfect. Perfect, you guys. And just do a little bit of soil at a time. Don't pour your whole bag in there and then pour a whole river of water on it, because then you'll be stuck with oversaturated soil. And if you don't have any more, what you gonna do? Because we ain't got no money to be running back and forth to the store to find no soil. We ain't got no money. So the easiest way for me, I just take my soil. Let me scoot the camera up a little bit, you guys. Sorry about that. You see that? And I have my seed starting trays. I have the 6 cell, and this is a 6 cell, but 6 cell big. And yeah, you guys, these already have a little dirt in there because I've been practicing. Okay, I like to make my videos great for you guys. I love you. Thank you so much for being here. So what I'm going to do, this is how you make it quick and easy, y'all. Because we don't do pretty, we do productive. Just go ahead. Can y'all see what I'm doing? Yeah. And sprinkle this all over. Just like that. And this is great to do with the kids. Get them involved. I know a lot of us are stuck at home. A lot of the kids are stuck at home. I'm not stuck at home. Y'all know I got to go to work. Shout out to everybody at VCU Health. See how quickly that went? Just doing it like this, you guys. And I'm going to need some more soy, so I'm not going to use it all because I have to demonstrate what I'm talking about to you guys. You know I like you right in the action with me. Okay? I want you right up on the action. All right, so I've taken my cocoa core and seed starting mix and I put it in there, right? Now, doesn't this look full to you? Like, it looks really full, right? Okay, you should be able to just drop seeds. No. It's not full. It's not full. It may look full, but it's not full. And when I mean it's not full, let me show you this. If you take your thumb and press down on one of these cells, look. Look how far down that goes. See? Because the soil is soft and it needs to be compressed into your trays. See that, you guys? Sometimes you can just take 2 fingers and go down because you don't want your roots exposed to air. And there are little holes at the bottom of these cells, you guys. So always go down, firmly press. Firmly press. Press down in your cells. It doesn't take long, you guys. And now we know that we have a strong base for our seedlings. So today I'm just going to do 3 different varieties. I'm going to do some lettuce, some spinach, and some broccoli. Now last year I did broccoli. It came out great. I just didn't plant enough of it. So this year, now that I know how it works, what's going on with it, what it likes, what it doesn't like, we're going to plant more broccoli this year because I love broccoli. These are my broccoli seeds. They're very small little beads. And I'm going to put 2 per cell. And I'm going to start my broccoli in the smaller cells. I'm just going to put 2. If you drop 3, that's fine, you guys. It's okay. We're going to go and thin out anyway. So just drop you 2, 3 seeds in each cell. And this is going to be our spinach row over here. See how I just did that? Just drop those in there like that. Then I'm going to take a little bit of my extra soil and gently sprinkle it over it. That's all. This is how you start your seeds, y'all. Just gently sprinkle it over. And what we're doing is we're prepping our seeds. So the weather is already starting to cool here in Zone 7, Richmond, Virginia a little bit. It's hot right now. And like I said, September can be a tricky month. It's my birthday month, so I know how that goes after all these years of having a birthday on that day. It can be extremely cold, wet, raining, or it can be extremely hot, beautiful, and sunny. So bam, there you go. Those are the broccoli. And I'm using Valley Green and Baker Creek seeds today. I also love spinach. I didn't plant enough of that last year. So I'm going to use some Baker Creek spinach. And you guys should have all of your supplies because I made a video on everything that I will be using this year for our fall garden because I wanted you to follow along with me. And I hope you got your items or got everything that you could get because we ain't got no money. Shoot. And if you don't have everything that I'm showing you, you guys, it's okay. It's okay. Use what you have. So I'm going to take some spinach seeds. I'm going to put 2 in each container. And if you can, just try to do 2. Because they're a little bigger than the broccoli. So try to get 2 in there. If you drop 3, it's okay, you guys. It's your garden. Do what you want to do. How you want to do it, when you want to do it. Because you have to take care of these. Okay? And then I'm just going to take some more of my cocoa core potting soil mix. Mix a little bit of that over top. Oh, I think I dropped too many seeds in that one, but that's okay, you guys, because we can always go back and thin. There are no mistakes, only learning experiences, okay? Okay! So you get the idea of what I'm doing, right? So that's how you start your seedlings, guys. Now, if you want to put them in trays like this and start them outside, you can. But what you want to do is find a nice shaded area. And let me just show you what I mean. Like over here, where my squash is. If I want to leave these outside, I'm going to leave them over here. You see this? I would leave them over here in the shade versus right here. See? Because what will happen is they will grow too fast and they will burn out because we're not in fall and the sun still comes out and it gets very, very hot. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put mine inside. I'm going to show you how I do that as well. But just for today, I wanted to show you how to get your seedlings trays going, how to do your soil. And let's get our fall gardening going, you guys. You know I love you so much. Thank you so much for being here. It's getting super hot out here. I love you so much. Don't forget to order your Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy t-shirt. Check out my Facebook channel, my Instagram, my Twitter, all that good stuff. I love you guys. You are the best. Remember, live, love, laugh. You guys grow stuff and eat it. I love you.